Okay, bring your target in. Let's see how you did.
I don't think I did as good on this one. So 50 feet?
Yeah, at 50 feet. Now at 20 feet you did that. 50 you got a little more spread on it.
Yeah.
Of course you were shooting faster.
Yeah. There we go.
I think you beat me.
I think I probably did.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you beat
At
me.
50 feet.
Yeah. At your 50 feet down there.
Here is mine.
Yeah, you beat me.
There's my 50 feet. There's his 50 feet.
Wow. Free-handed at 75 feet. Okay, bring it in. Which corner were you shooting at?
Top one, very top.
Top what?
Top right, or top
Top right.
Top left.
That's top left.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, out of, you got 6 shots on the paper. That's not bad, because down there, that's the pattern we had spread at 50 feet standing free. So you can see it's a pretty wide spread. So you got 6 on the paper in that little area we're shooting at there.
75.
Diagonal from you on the right hand side.
$75 feet. Alright, see what you did. Where'd you go again?
I went diagonal from you. So with here.
You got more shots on the paper.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that one's mine over there
Yeah,
too, and that one's mine there. So 10 out of 11 on the paper. I got one off of the paper, probably off to the side.
We both got 3 in the orange.
Yeah, I got one on the edge. We'll call that 4.
Okay, because one of mine's on the edge too.
Yeah, one of your 3 is on the edge.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I did a little better than you did. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 38 special. Okay. Bring it in. Okay. Oh my gosh, that one.
I think that was the first one. I really triggered.
Okay. Well, I guess you had a gut shot him. All right. Which circle?
Bottom right. Got it.
Go ahead. Okay, bring it in. And where were you going for?
I did better.
Yeah, that's that. Okay. Okay, now we're loading the 40 caliber.
Only gonna put 6.
Huh?
Only gonna put 6.
All right.
You going?
Yeah. It's hard to get the last couple in there. How many you got in? That's 7? Okay. Yeah. All right. All right. That's good. That's good. All the way in? All right. Wait a minute. Let me get a good angle on you.
Still not that great.
No, not. Well, you got a few more in the black. Okay. I'm only going to put 8 in. Okay. I think that was 8. I'm going to go ahead and go for the middle circle since you hadn't done much damage to it.
Yeah, so close.
You know what? That thing's shooting low, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's shooting. That's what I was noticing. I had it on the thing the whole time. I had it on the middle the whole time. I was wondering why it wasn't doing nothing.